Are you ready to hit the water in style this summer? Waterwave. Whether you're a beginner or a paddle pro, choosing the right paddleboard can make all the difference. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best Niphean paddle boards in 2025, inflatable, lightweight, and perfect for adventure. We've reviewed Niphean's most popular models, from touring boards to yoga-friendly designs, and picked the best ones for you. So stay with us, and let's find out which paddleboard is perfect for your next ride. Number 5. The Niphean 10-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard, a compact and lightweight board ideal for short trips, beginners, and smaller paddlers. At 10 feet long and 32 inches wide, it's easy to maneuver and great for casual fun on the water. Artist Palette 2. Design and color options. This board features a sleek, minimalist design with a comfortable non-slip deck. It's available in vibrant color choices like light blue, sunrise yellow, and sea green, perfect for standing out on lakes or rivers. Balance Scale 3. Weight capacity and performance. With a weight capacity of up to 280 pounds, it's best suited for solo riders. Performance-wise, it offers smooth paddling, decent tracking, and quick turns, ideal for calm waters and quick adventures. Diving Mask 4. Usability, beginner-friendly? Stability? Yes, it's highly beginner-friendly. The 32-inch width and solid construction offer enough stability for new paddlers, while the compact size makes it super easy to control, carry, and store. Lightbulb 5. Why buy it? USP and price. If you're looking for an affordable, ultra-portable paddleboard for beginners or kids, this one's a winner. Lightweight, inflates fast, and usually priced around $210 to $240 on Amazon, it's a perfect starter SUP. Number 4. The Niphean 10 feet 6 inches inflatable stand-up paddleboard, designed as an all-around option for recreation, yoga, and casual paddling. With a size of 10 feet 6 inches long and 33 inches wide, it's compact yet stable enough for all skill levels. Artist Palette 2. Design and color options. It features a fun, modern design with a non-slip EVA deck and rounded tail for better balance. Available in attractive colors like coral pink, mint green, and deep blue, it's both stylish and practical. Balance Scale 3. Weight capacity and performance. This board can support up to 300 pounds, offering enough capacity for most adults or a parent with a child or dog. It's built for smooth paddling on calm waters, from lakes to slow-moving rivers. Diving Mask 4. Usability, beginner-friendly? Stability? Absolutely beginner-friendly. The 33-inch width and stable platform provide excellent balance and confidence for new paddlers, while still being responsive for intermediate users. Lightbulb 5. Why buy it? USP and price. If you're after a lightweight, versatile paddle board that's easy to carry and great for fun workouts or weekend escapes, this is the one. The Niphean 10 feet 6 inches is usually priced around $240 to $270 on Amazon, offering great value for beginners. Number 3. The Niphean 11-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard, a versatile all-around board measuring 11 feet long and 33 inches wide. It's designed for balance, comfort, and great maneuverability, ideal for casual paddling or weekend adventures. Artist Palette 2. Design and color options. The board features a clean, sporty design with a comfortable non-slip EVA deck. It's available in fresh, vibrant color choices like teal blue, yellow gray, and aqua green, perfect for standing out on the water. Balance Scale 3. Weight capacity and performance. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, this board is great for adults or for taking a child or pet along. It offers solid tracking and a smooth glide, making it perfect for lakes, calm rivers, or coastal cruising. Diving Mask 4. Usability, beginner-friendly? Stability? Yes, it's very beginner-friendly. The 33-inch width offers extra stability, and the high-quality drop-stitch construction gives it a rigid, secure feel even for first-time paddlers. Lightbulb 5. Why buy it? USP, and price. Whether you're new to paddleboarding or want an affordable, dependable SUP, the Niphean 11 is a great pick. Lightweight, easy to inflate, and typically priced around $260 to $290 on Amazon, it's great value for fun and fitness. Number 2. The Niphean Pro 11 feet 6 inches inflatable stand-up paddleboard, built for stability and performance. With a length of 11 feet 6 inches and a width of 33 inches, it's a great all-around touring board for both casual and fitness paddlers. Artist palette 2. Design and color options. The board features a modern, eye-catching design with anti-slip EVA deck padding. It's available in stylish color options like sky blue and olive green, perfect for those who want performance with aesthetics. Balance scale 3. Weight capacity and performance. It can hold up to 330 pounds, making it suitable for adults, heavier riders, or carrying extra gear. The narrow nose and balanced width deliver smooth tracking, stability, and steady speed over long distances. Diving mask 4. Usability, beginner-friendly? Stability? Absolutely. Thanks to its wide deck and solid construction, it's stable enough for beginners, yet responsive enough for intermediate users. Ideal for lakes, rivers, and even light ocean paddling. Lightbulb 5. Why buy it? USP, and price. If you're seeking a versatile, durable, and touring-friendly inflatable SUP, the Niphean Pro 11 feet 6 inches hits the mark. Lightweight, portable, and priced around $280 to $320 on Amazon, it's one of the best value for money touring boards out there. Number 1. The Niphean Pro 12 feet 6 inches inflatable stand-up paddleboard, a performance-focused touring board designed for distance paddling. With a length of 12 feet 6 inches and a width of 32 inches, it offers a sleek, fast ride ideal for long adventures. Artist palette 2. Design and color options. It comes with a stylish, streamlined design and high-quality non-slip deck. The board is available in modern color combinations like ocean blue and graphite gray, making it stand out both on the beach and on the water. Balance scale 3. Weight capacity and performance. This board supports up to 330 pounds, making it great for heavier paddlers or carrying extra gear. It tracks smoothly, glides effortlessly, and performs best in calm lakes, bays, and touring scenarios. Diving mask 4. Usability, beginner-friendly? Stability? Though it's designed for intermediate to advanced users, it offers excellent stability thanks to its 6-inch thickness and military-grade PVC construction. Once inflated, it feels firm and safe underfoot. Lightbulb 5. Why buy it? USP, and price. If you're looking for a reliable, fast, and long-distance inflatable SUP with pro-level build quality, this is it. The Niphean Pro 12 feet 6 inches is perfect for touring, racing, or fitness paddling. Price ranges around $320 to $350 on Amazon. Conclusion. To wrap it up, these top 5 Niphean paddle boards of 2025 offer something for everyone, whether you're just starting out or a seasoned paddler. White heavy checkmark durable and lightweight materials make them easy to carry anywhere. White heavy checkmark great stability and design ensure a smooth, safe ride every time. White heavy checkmark perfect for lakes, rivers, or ocean adventures. White heavy checkmark affordable prices give you excellent value without compromising quality. So why wait? Choose the board that fits your style and level, and get ready to enjoy your best paddling experience yet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great reviews and tips. See you on the water.